yourself?
Hi Swati, so I am from RSVK working with Manojji since last 15 years and I have done my BCom and I am from Mumbai.
Okay, so I just wanted to know how was your life prior RSVK? Like,
So it was completely, I was in the shell. I was not knowing what I am doing, what I will do. My life was absolutely, we can say, the zero. But after joining SSY Culture, Manojji, I have found myself a completely different Bijal. So I can say I was very confident. I am very confident now. Like before, I was not at all. But now I am feeling myself very confident. I can do whatever I want to. I can ask. I can do anything in my life now. So there was no question mark how
okay,
I'll go ahead with life. So this is the difference between before and now.
wonderful. I came to know there was a miracle, something happened in your life. But before coming to the miracle, I would like to know how was your situation before the miracle?
Yeah. So the miracle thing was absolutely with Kian, my son.
Okay,
Right now he's 10 years old.
okay,
So what it was like before, mainly the eating part. He was not like a normal child. He was not eating at all, like
oh,
normal food.
is
जैसे
it?
हम रोटी सब्जी खाते हैं दाल
Uh-huh.
राइस खाते हैं he was eating only two things in his life. Like if I can tell you the roti bhaji, what we make pav bhaji ka bhaji, and every day it's a frankie. So I cannot go out anywhere. If I go, I take his food or I make somewhere. If I go to hotels, I was in the kitchen, anywhere. So I
Oh,
was very much worried about Kian all the time, about his food part, I was about his weight, anything and everything. But once I was just talking to Manojji about Kian, and we are having every 2 months Magic of Marriage program,
okay.
and I go there every time. So there was a vacation time, and Manojji said, "Bijal, you come with Kian." So before I was very much disturbed कि मैं कियान को कैसे लेके जाऊँ because he will not eat anything there. Again I will do my work part or I'll in the kitchen like. So he said, I am with Kian 4 days, you be on your work. I was like, let's see. I was very पक्का कि मैं same day पे वापस आऊँगी. But no, I was there all 4 days and really miracle happened. Though he did not had what I want, but he had whatever he wants. So और मुझे ऐसे था कि वहाँ पे उसको how he will get whatever he wants like Maggie and pizza and everything, but he got everything what he wants there. So he had, and but he was not hungry at all. यहाँ पे what was happened कि if he did not get his food, so he was all the time hungry. But here
Okay.
he had all the food, and miracle is there कि nowadays मतलब I did this program recently and I took him recently maybe 4
Which
months back.
program did you say?
Magic of Marriage.
Okay.
Yeah. So now he is very much, he himself is saying, Mama, I am very foodie. So
Oh.
that was like, that word itself miracle for me.
Wonderful.
And he's eating whatever he wants and he's not at all hungry. And now his weight is good, his height is good, he is genius, whatever you say.
Wonderful. So you're seeing a lot of benefit after this program,
Yeah,
doing this
definitely,
program.
100%.
So what
yes.
will you suggest? Like,
Yeah, so I'll just suggest everyone to just believe in it. Whatever we learn, we teach, and we accept the child the way or he is. So this is the thing.
so wonderful,
Thank you.
wonderful.
Thank
Thank
you
you.
so much.